Has the pain of arthritis slowed your dog or cat down? Ask your vet about your free bag of Hill's Prescription Diet JD today.
Just like humans, pets can also suffer from arthritis or joint pains, and it's a condition that's especially common amongst older animals. But luckily, there is a way to counteract this problem. Let's find out more.
Well, unfortunately, we see a lot of arthritis in dogs, and it's not limited to what I'd call our geriatric sort of group. I'm seeing arthritis in young dogs as well. We've got a good example in the treadmill now. And really what arthritis is, osteoarthritis, or it's often referred to as degenerative joint disease, is an inflammation of the joint. But it doesn't only affect your joint surfaces, it affects the tendons, ligaments and muscles surrounding the joint. And generally it causes pain and causes dysfunction in the dog.
Medication isn't the only route one can take to assist the dog and make movement more comfortable. Dawn explains how physical rehabilitation plays a role.
We use our hands. I'd say our hands are usually our best tool. We use electrotherapy modalities. Examples are electrical muscle stimulation, or laser therapy, or magnetic field therapy, and very much so hydrotherapy in various forms. We'll palpate the dog with our hand. We'll feel what is the muscle tone, what is the muscle bulk. So for example, a dog that has hip dysplasia or any arthritis in its hind end, you usually find muscle atrophy, and sometimes it can be one-sided, so we'll take note of that. Then we decide on a treatment plan, and more often than not, it's going to involve some soft tissue work first, just to reduce the pain, maybe some electrotherapy modalities. Moving on, once they're more pain-free, to actual specific active strengthening work, and that's when our hydrotherapy comes into play. And then working hand in hand with the veterinarian, with its pharmaceuticals, any other treatments they bring in, and also nutrition always comes into play.
While Layla enjoys her time doing hydrotherapy, Dawn explains how this form of treatment works, as well as the benefits of being in water for the animal.
The two main factors, the buoyancy. So the buoyancy of the water helps to offload the joint. So the higher the water is, the less weight and stress there is on the joint, and also the resistance of the water, which will help to build muscle mass, which is one of the ways to help stabilize the joint. And we're always having to balance those two.
While the veterinarian can prescribe medication for relief as well as physical rehabilitation, like hydrotherapy, there are things owners can do at home as well to help.
So one of the most important management aspects at home for the client is to work with the weight management, and reduce the weight and the strain on the joints. There are very, very good food products on the market. For example, our Hill's JD, which has omega-3 fatty acids to help reduce pain and inflammation. The other thing you can look at is the environment. What type of floor surface do you have at home? Where does your dog sleep at night? Do you have other dogs that are being very playful with them, perhaps a little bit rough, that could aggravate the pain of the joints?
What a relief to know that there is a way to prevent arthritis and ensure that your animal stays pain-free and comfortable, because nothing is more important than keeping your best friend happy and healthy.
Has the pain of arthritis slowed your dog or cat down? Ask your vet about your free bag of Hill's Prescription Diet JD today.